Question 1. Why are vibrators not used in piles concrete during casting for compaction? The answer is option C. The concrete is of high slump and is self-compacting. Question 2. As per DM, the most suitable technique for deep compaction used in Dubai is. The answer is option D. Vibro compaction. Question 3. Vibro compaction is the dynamic process used to reduce the volume of soil by. The answer is option D. Expelling air. Question 4. The foundation in which a cantilever beam is provided to join two footing is called. The answer is option D. Strap. Question 5. Pile foundation is suitable for dash soils. The answer is option D. Waterlogged soil. Question 6. The compaction of concrete in the drilled pile hole is done by compressed air in case of. The answer is option D. Pressure pile. Question 7. The minimum depth of foundation or footing in case of clay soil is. The answer is option D. 0.9 meter. Question 8. Generally, the bearing capacity of granite is dash kilogram per square centimeter. The answer is option D. 30 to 35. Question 9. The formwork including the props can be removed from beams. Minimum after dash days. The answer is option D. 14 days. Question 10. The pile which supports the load partly by friction and partly by resting on hard strata is. The answer is option D. Friction-bearing pile. Question 11. The function of the grouting and post-tensioning tendons is to. The answer is option D. Both A and C are correct. Question 12. The minimum thickness of post-tensioning slab is. The answer is option D. 20 centimeters. Question 13. The stressing of post-tensioning cables in Dubai is done after dash days. The answer is option D. 7 days. Question 14. The first layer of the block masonry in buildings walls should be. The answer is option D. Solid blocks. Question 15. The dewatering techniques used in Dubai for disposing water from construction site. The answer is option D. Both well point and deep wells. Question 16. For non-cohesive soil, like silty sand, which dewatering technique is suitable? The answer is option D. Well point system. Question 17. In prestressed concrete beams, the loss is due to which of the following? The answer is option D. All. Question 18. When the prestress is transferred to concrete in pretension concrete, the member shortens and the prestressing steel dash in it. The answer is option D. Shortens. Question 19. The main purpose of providing pore strip and post-tensioning slab in Dubai is. The answer is option D. Control elastic shortening. Question 20. What is the value of Poisson ratio for concrete of PD slab? The answer is option D. 0.2. Question 21. The maximum allowable settlement in the raft foundation is. The answer is option D. 50 millimeters. Question 22. As the column height in RC building increase, the reinforcement. The answer is option D. Decrease. Question 23. In a 3-story building, the live load of upper floors is taken by. The answer is option D. Column only. Question 24. The final setting time of normal cement concrete is. The answer is option D. 10 hours. Question 25. The modulus of elasticity for concrete element is. The answer is option D. 4,700 into FEC raised to 0.5. Question 26. As per ACI code, what is the maximum deflection for horizontal member due to live load is? The answer is option D. L divided by 180. Question 27. The effect of liquefaction on the soil. The answer is option D. All. Question 28. The effective length K factor for column with both ends fixed is. The answer is option D. 0.65. Question 29. When the mixture is mixed in the plant, the time should not be less than. The answer is option D. 50 seconds. Question 30. For heavily reinforced concrete members, the nominal maximum size of aggregate shall be. The answer is option D. 5 millimeters. Question 31. The strength of normal concrete primarily depends upon the. The answer is option D. Water-cement ratio. Question 32. In massive structures like core wall, concrete should be placed in. The answer is option C, horizontal layers. Question 33. In the case of horizontal shallow beams, concrete should preferably deposited starting from. The answer is option D, center of span. Question 34. The maximum area of tension steel in beams shall not exceed. The answer is option D, 4%. Question 35. We should not use longitudinal reinforcement bars in column less than 12 millimeters. The answer is option D, due to buckling. Question 36. The minimum cube strength of concrete used for a prestressed member is G/cm2. The answer is option D, 350. Question 37. The number of treads in a flight of stairs is equal to. The answer is option D, riser -1. Question 38. For initial estimate of non-cantilever beam design, the width is taken as. The answer is option D, span divided by 30. Question 39. The formwork from the roof slabs excluding props can be removed only after. The answer is option D, 14 days. Question 40. In fumigation process for the timber truss is cover with chemicals in tablets form for. The answer is option D, 24 hours. If you want to see more knowledgeable videos like this, please hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.